Joe, who's going to get us started on the first lessons of how to ride the motorbike, the two-wheeler. Are you ready? Let's go.
Let's go for it.
We're going to just do a quick exercise to get you familiar with stopping and starting. And it's called brakes on, brakes off. Okay? Right. And turning left and right. Because although you're going to be using leaning, we got to make you comfortable on the controls. Okay? Ready? Okay. Good. And brakes. Awesome. Last time. Accelerate. Brakes. Cool. Right. Quick test before we get going. True or false? You stop before you put your feet down.
True.
That is true. You can go for the test track. Give it like a nice, like a kick, like a karate kick. Just kick it like punch. Not all of that. Yeah.
Yes.
That was second gear. Did you see that? She just put it into second gear all on her own. Okay.
How's it going, Mommy? Like a pro!
Hi, Chris.
Like it.
So, apparently it was on grade 3.
Right, that's
Yes.
right. And if it's in
That's
too
why.
high a gear, and then it stalled, and then it tipped over, but it was perfect because we got the shot of your first crash, and I think that is just like